One of the best ways to make money from home is to be an affiliate for other people's products. Having your own home-based affiliate marketing business is an inexpensive, almost free, way to generate a monthly income and have complete freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. In this video, I'm going to tell you about an amazing new system that can help you pocket affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Here's how it works. Simply find an affiliate product that's already making people thousands of dollars. Plug it into this amazing system. Then just order some done-for-you traffic. That's it. The system will automatically promote your affiliate links for months. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, this sounds a little too good to be true. And that's totally understandable. But don't you owe it to yourself to at least find out more? Just click the link in the description of this video to see for yourself what others are saying about this amazing income earner, and how it can do the same for you. Click the link in the description below now.